Welcome to another recipe on Rhythm of Flavors. Today I will share with you a Bengali special recipe called Bhuni Khichdi. Ingredients list is also available in the description box below. Let us start with taking a tablespoon of ghee in a pan. To it, add some broken cashews and fry them until they start changing color. And keep them aside. In the same pan, add half cup of yellow moong dal and fry them until they start changing color and becomes aromatic. For our next step, keep the dal aside and in the same pan, add half cup of raw flavored rice. Lightly fry our rice just like we do in a pulao. Take another tablespoon of ghee. Add cubed carrots and some cauliflower. Fry these until you see a brownish tinge on the cauliflower. Like the others, keep these also aside. For our final preparation, take another tablespoon of ghee. Add about a tablespoon of jeera, 2 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, and 1 bay leaf. Fry the masala. Add 1 chili to it. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and about a quarter cup of grated coconut. Fry these masala until the coconut releases the sweet flavor. Once done, add your already fried vegetables, your toasted rice and your dal, along with salt to taste, just about quarter teaspoon of sugar. Combine all these ingredients together. Finally add some green peas. 1 quick mix. Make sure the water is just double the quantity of rice plus dal. 1 stir. You can either cover and cook or pressure cook as per your choice. My Bhuni Khichdi or the Palav Khichdi is ready to be served. You can sprinkle your already fried cashews and enjoy every bite of it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like this recipe. Leave your comments in the section below. Spread the word about my channel and subscribe for more recipes.